we go. Oh, chunker. Nice. There we go. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's been several weeks since I had a chance to get out on the creek. And I've been out about 10 minutes and got my first smallie. Not that big, but it's a good way to start the day. I say about 12 inches. I got that one on a Whopper Plopper 90. Let me see here. These small guys scare me. That's where you can get hooked real easy. Need the pliers out on this guy. There we go. Oh shit, not even 12 inches. I'm thinking 8 inches. But broke the skunk. Thank you. There we go. There's a good size smallie. Ooh, drags loose. That's a better 2+ pounder. That's a long fish. Come here, big guy. There's a nice size smallie. Skinny, but long. 15, 16 inches. All right. Thank you. All right, another one in the same spot. Don't think it's as big as that last one. Oh, nice chunk. This guy's got hooks everywhere. Feisty. Feisty. Right, number 3. Thank you. There we go. Another nice little creek smallmouth. Oh yeah, that's a nice one. Ah, comes with salad. Comes with salad. Gotcha. All right, little 13-incher, number 4. Thank you. There we go. Oh, chunker. Nice. Strong little fish. Okay. There we go. There's a nice smallie. Wait to show. Yep. That's what I was looking for. That is what I'm looking for. Hoo-hoo-hoo. There's a nice size smallie. It's about 17, 18 inches, 2.5 pounds. Barely hooked. All right. Thank you. There we go. Another decent sized smallie, for a creek that is. Yeah, he's one of the bigger ones that was in that group I was looking at. Come on, guy. Let me just get my thumb on you. There we go. All right, another 13, 14 incher. Thank you. Back in the group you go. Oh, missed. There we go. There's another one. That's coming right at me. Not bad. Good size. Good size. Get you on my left side. Not a pet in this guy. But still, that's a nice size. Just gotta watch those hooks. Whoa, almost got me. Almost got me. Gotcha now. Right, another nice size little smallie on the Whopper Plopper 90. Okay guys, I think I'm gonna call it here. Running out of time. I hope you enjoyed the video. I will see you next time.